There are still classic cars for sale under $5,000, and some of them actually run. Today, we found 10 real project cars hiding on Marketplace, and a few might surprise you. Let's jump in. 1. 1979 Jaguar XJ6, $2,000. We're starting with classic British luxury and a very honest project. This white over red XJ6 has already had thousands spent trying to get it back on the road. Unfortunately, the main issue remains in the fuel system. It runs for a few minutes, then shuts off. Let it sit, and it starts again. The last mechanic says it needs new fuel tanks and the system properly gone through. There's one hole in the passenger floorboard, some missing trim, dry rotted rubber, and it's had a budget repaint. But interestingly, mechanics say the body is surprisingly solid underneath when it's on a lift. At $2,000, this isn't a flip. It's a mechanical sorting project for someone who understands vintage Jaguars. Two, 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, $2,400. Now we shift to early 60s American steel. This four-door Fairlane runs a 260 small block backed by a 9-inch rear. The seller says it runs, drives, and stops well, which already puts it ahead of many cars in this price range. That said, it needs floor work. There are holes, and the driver's seat needs to be properly bolted down. It's not restored, not detailed, and not pretending to be anything fancy. For $2,400, this feels like a usable budget classic that you improve over time. Not a show car, but a driver project. Three, 1970 Fiat 850 Spider Sport, $3,000. Small, lightweight, and full of vintage European charm. This 850 Spider has a manual transmission, 65,000 miles, a new transaxle, and new tires, which are strong selling points. But right now, it will not move under its own power. It starts, but mechanical work is still needed before it's road ready. So this is not cosmetic tinkering, this is drivetrain sorting. For someone who loves classic Fiats or wants something different from the usual American muscle projects, this could be a rewarding weekend build. 4. 1964 Plymouth Valiant Slant 6 Turbo, $3,950. This one stands out. A 64 Valiant with a Slant 6 and an eBay turbo kit pushing around 5 to 7 pounds of boost. It's paired with a push-button automatic, which adds to the vintage feel. The seller says it runs and drives well. It has new brakes, new drums and lines, a new gas tank with electric fuel pump, new tires, and new battery. Body is decent overall, though it comes with a patch panel for the lower quarter and the passenger floor needs attention. Not a perfect restoration candidate, but as a cheap boosted cruiser, this is definitely interesting. Five, 1958 Mercedes Ponton, $600. And here's the real gamble of Part 1. Listed as a 19E, but described as a 219 Ponton body style. No title, no keys, no confirmation if it runs. The body reportedly looks solid, but the underside and unibody are described as rough from sitting for years. The seller is firm at $600 and won't attempt to get paperwork or make it run. At this price, you're basically buying a parts car, unless you're prepared for a very serious restoration project.
Six, 1978 Ford Mustang II, $5,000. Now we move into late 70s territory. This Mustang II is powered by the 2.8-liter V6 paired with a C3 automatic. The headline here is 27,000 original miles, and the seller claims it's a two-owner car. The interior has just been redone with new leather and carpet. Brakes are new, master cylinder is new, battery is new, and the tires are fairly fresh. It also comes with a stack of extra parts: seats, lights, brackets, steering wheels. It mainly needs paint. If the mileage checks out, this could be one of the more complete and usable cars in the lineup. Seven, 1977 GMC 1500 short bed, $3,000. Classic square body pickup. Seller says it runs and drives great, and you can drive it home today. The frame is described as solid, steering is tight, and it starts every time. There is rust in the usual spots, typical for trucks of this era, but nothing alarming is mentioned structurally. At $3,000, this feels like a usable old-school truck. Daily beater, work truck, or a starting point for a simple hot rod build. Eight, 1978 Jeep CJ7, $1,500. Here's the affordable off-road project. 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, hardtop, doors, and it has a title. The seller says it has run before, but currently does not run. So this is not a hop-in and drive Jeep, it's a project platform. At $1,500 OBO, this is entry-level classic 4x4 money. The value will depend heavily on the frame and rust condition underneath. Nine, 1979 GMC Rollback Cummins, $4,500. This one is different and potentially practical. It's a '79 GMC Rollback with a 17-foot bed that works. It has a 1985 12-valve Cummins at an Allison automatic. The engine runs and the transmission works. However, it must be towed and needs front tires along with additional work. Seller is firm at $4,500 and wants it gone quickly. If finished properly, this could become a working truck that actually makes money. Ten, 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible, $3,800. We close with a convertible from the muscle era. This '67 Firebird is described as ready for restoration and comes with a title in the seller's name. No major details about mechanical condition are provided. Convertible classics from this era always draw attention, but restoration costs can add up quickly. At $3,800, the value here will depend entirely on body, floors, and structural condition. So, which one would you take home? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe for more affordable project cars every week. See you in the next one.